Introducing our latest addition to the Wago series of electrical junction boxes. The Wago 2214 electrical enclosure has been engineered with single-sided cable entry and 3 connector receptacles designed for the Wago 2214 series of lever clamp connectors. The Wago 2214 can accommodate flexible and solid core cables. No screws and no fiddly parts to deal with makes installation of connected cables simple and quick. The receptacles hold the connectors securely in place, while adjustable cable clamps grip the cables, preventing strain on the connections. The Wago 2214 junction box conforms to the British standard for maintenance-free accessories. Wago by Connexbox. Simpler, quicker, safer.